Hi, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pantry organization video. So today I'll be cleaning and decluttering my small pantry. I've been meaning to do this for quite some time now. I'm so excited to film this video because I've been meaning to organize this space for a while. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the little subscribe button so you won't miss future videos. So now I've set everything on my table. Now I'm going to look and see all the stuff that has been expired. Now I'll be using these items I have. I got 2 large and 2 medium baskets I purchased at the 99-cent store. I got 3 OXO containers from Ross and 2 clear containers from Dollar General. Now I will still be using some of my wax that I have on hand. Now here I'll be refilling up some of my containers that are running low. Here I'll be using one of my new containers, filling it up with unsalted pretzels. These are so good with some honey and peanut butter mixed together. Well, that's basically it for the pantry. I love how clean it looks. I love being able to see everything I have. This looks so much better than before. Thank you for watching.